about the Model 1's gel nail set that I got off of Amazon. It's been about 3 months now, and I feel like I've done enough nail sets for me to really give you guys just overall a really good review on this product because I have used it a lot within those 3 months. So we'll talk about things I really loved about this kit and things that I feel they could maybe improve on a little bit. I'll also be showing you guys in this video how I personally do my nails using this kit so that if maybe you're looking for a gel nail kit, then maybe you can kind of get an idea. It's not as difficult as you may think. Some people are a little intimidated by it. I know I was. But after I got it and I just followed the steps that it gives me on the directions, I really realized it's easy and an awesome way to save money and be efficient. And so that is what today is about. Let's get into it. Okay, so here's the LED and UV nail lamp that came with the set. It does come in a box, and I've kept it in the box just for safekeeping, but it is a 2-in-1, so you can use LED or UV nail polish. Here's the cute little box that the nail polish came in. There are a total of 6 nail polishes in this awesome box. Each nail polish is 10 milliliters of polish within each one, so there's plenty to keep you going for a while. Here's the instructions with pictures, words, and numbers, very easy to follow along with. Here are the UV discharge wipes. This just allows you to remove the gel nail polish when you're ready. And we have the nail cleansers. This is just rubbing alcohol in a little pack to clean your nails before you actually apply the nail polish. And here we just have one of the 2 nail files. This is a 100/180 grit, and this one's a little thicker. We also have the thinner one as well, so they're the same grit, but just whichever one you feel better using. Here's a little fluff brush. We use this just to brush off any of the dust after we've buffed our nails before we use the cleansing wipes. This set also comes with some cuticle softener, so you just put this on your cuticles, rub it around, and it makes for an easier cuticle removal. We also get a cuticle oil. We use this to brush onto our cuticles after our nails are completed, just so our cuticles can stay hydrated. This set also comes with the nails clippers. How can you go wrong? These are pretty sharp and good to go, so you can never have too many nail clippers. You also get some separators in this set as well. We also get this cuticle pusher. We just use this to push our cuticles up from our nail bed. And of course we have our cuticle trimmer. So this is used to trim our cuticles, make sure that they're nice and smooth, and our nail beds are ready to go for polish. We obviously have our base coat within this set. And we also have a shiny top coat as well as a matte top coat. So that's kind of nice that this set offers you the 2 different finishes. So this didn't come with the set, but I went out and got it. It is an instant cuticle remover. I find that it just works a little better than the one that comes in the set. So here's the actual lamp. I'm unboxing it so that you guys can see what it looks like. It does have the 3 different settings at the top, but it is an automatic lamp. So when you put your hands in it, it will start, and when you remove it, it will end. Here's the different colors of the gel polish that I got in my set. This is a dark gray. You also have a medium gray. Here is also a light gray. And then you also get a darker brown or nude color, a medium nude color, and then a lighter pink. I actually really like this one. I've used this one a lot, and it's really cute. So first things first, I'm just going to use my instant cuticle remover to get any cuticles that are on my nail bed off. So you don't want to be too light on this, but you also don't want to dump a ton on. You just want to make sure that your cuticles are saturated to help remove it. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my cuticle pusher, and I'm going to push up those cuticles get all of that gunk off the nail bed so that my nail polish is able to adhere properly. You don't want to push too hard or scrape too much of the nail bed and remove that top layer. You want to make sure that your nails are still hydrated, still healthy, so just push lightly, getting all of the cuticle off of your nail. Next, I'm going to just take my cuticle trimmer and I'm going to trim my cuticles. You really want to make sure that you're not tugging or pulling on your cuticles, but you're simply just cutting them. So you don't want any tearing on your cuticles, you just want to remove the excess cuticle that is there after the cuticle pushing. Next, we're going to buff our nails. You want to make sure that you buff each and every inch of your nail. If you leave a part that's unbuffed, the nail polish might not adhere as well and it leaves room for lifting. So you really want to make sure that you buff your nails, but you also want to make sure that you're not pushing too hard and removing too much of your nail off. So you want a nice rough surface, but nothing that's like removing the top layer of your nail completely. And after we're done buffing, we just want to take our little fluff brush and brush away any of the dust that is still on our fingers from the buffing. Next, we're just going to take our nail cleansers and we're going to remove that little cloth and we're going to rub that on our nails, making sure that all the dust that maybe we didn't get with the little fluff brush or anything like that is completely removed from our nails. So we don't want anything left over to get under the gel nail polish. Next, we're going to go with the base coat first. So with the base coat, and really with any of the coats of gel nail polish, you want to make sure that they're thin layers. So you don't want anything that's too thick, but you also just want a nice steady coat. You also want to make sure that you are capping the nail, sealing that gel nail polish on there so there's no lifting or peeling from the tip of the nails. When you're applying this, you also want to make sure that you are not getting the nail polish into the cuticle area or any of your finger around your nail bed. That just leaves room for lifting. So just make sure that it's on the nail bed alone and that it's a nice light layer. We're going to put that in the UV lamp for 90 seconds and then we're going to remove it. We're going to do the first coat of gel nail polish. You really want to shake these up, making sure that it's all mixed and good to go. I'm going to do the dark color first. Again, you want these to be nice thin layers. You also want to make sure that if you did get any nail polish on the outside of your nail or in your cuticle area, that you do remove it before you cure it. So here's the second color I'm going to do. This is the medium gray. Again, just putting that on, making sure that I'm only getting the nail polish on the nail bed and not in the surrounding areas, and then capping my nail at the end just to make sure that it's nice and sealed. And the third color, this is the lighter gray, so I'm just going to do a monochromatic gray look today just to help show you guys the colors that I have, at least some of them. And again, same thing, nice thin layer, making sure that I'm capping it and I'm removing any of the excess. And those are the three colors that I'm going to use. So there's my hand done. I've done 2 coats of color and now I'm going to do the top coat. So this is the shiny top coat. I did not go with the matte for today. With the top coat, you really want to make sure that you're not putting too much on. I know in some nail salons, after you do gel and you put it under the lamp and your nails kind of burn. That's not normal, okay? So we want to make sure that our nail beds are not burning. So we want to use, again, a thin layer of top coat, making sure that we cap the top of the nails, the tip of the nails, so that everything is sealed in well. And then we also want to make sure that we remove any of the top coat that got on our fingers because it will burn under the lamp. And we're going to cure that for 90 seconds. And there you go, guys. We're going to take the cleanser one more time and we're going to remove all of the stickiness from our gel. Just rub that on our nails, making sure that all the goop is gone and you are good to go.
So there's my nail set. I know my nails aren't super long, but I like to keep them pretty short. But this is all the gray colors that came in my set. They're really pretty. I really do like them.
So there you go, you guys. It's really honestly simple. It's awesome. I've really enjoyed getting better at it. The first set was so rough, but as I've done it more and more, I've gotten a lot better. I figured out what to do, what not to do. But just some positives I really want to talk about with this kit is it is really user-friendly. So they give you the sheet of paper like I showed, and it's so self-explanatory. There's pictures, there's words. Just makes it really easy for us newbies to get a good understanding of what we need to do to get a nice gel nail set. Honestly, it's kind of inexpensive if you really think about everything that you're getting within this set. You're getting nail polishes, 6 of them. You're getting a top coat, a base coat, an LED and UV lamp combined. That alone is worth a lot of money. And so I think that that right there kind of is like, okay, this could be good. It's $46.99. That's it. It's $50 if you round up, you know, to the nearest tenth, whatever. After the second nail set that you've done, you've paid for it and everything else is free, if you kind of want to look at it that way. And so right there, that's just an awesome thing for me because I can save money, I can still have awesome looking nails, and I don't have to think about like, you know, cutting that out of my budget, needing to, you know, set some money aside so next month I can get my nails done. It just gives me a peace of mind. I can do it on my own. I can set aside 40 minutes and get it done. Another positive that I really like about this product is how long it lasts. My nails grow extremely quick, and so even if I went and got my nails professionally done for a gel manicure, they really wouldn't last over a week because my nails are already growing out. There's already so much growth there, and I just like can't even handle it. And I end up peeling it off. And so similar, I guess, with this, if your nails grow at a slower rate than mine, this will probably last you 2 weeks if you do it well, if you don't get the polish on the cuticles and, you know, your fingers. Some dislikes about this product, my number one would probably have to be the cuticle cutter. The cuticle trimmer is something that is kind of crucial when you're doing a manicure. You want to have nice cuticles. You want to make sure that they're not torn. This cuticle trimmer in particular is extremely dull, which you can still use, but it causes a lot of pulling, a lot of tugging, and that can actually really hurt your cuticle. Another dislike that's more just kind of a petty dislike, I guess, on my part, is the colors that came with it. Obviously, you have a set, it's gonna come with a certain amount of colors. Most of the time, you're not gonna like all the colors because it is, you know, kind of a broad spectrum. But with this one, it was kind of a narrow spectrum, and it was so similar of colors that came in the 6-pack with this set. 3 grays and then 3 kind of brown nude pinks. And I'm totally up for neutrals. I love neutrals. Neutral nails are my thing. But every once in a while, I like to have a fun color too. And that did not come with this set, which I get, I understand. A lot of people like neutrals. You know, you have a neutral set. And I do like that it came, you know, with a dark gray, a light gray. It did come with a pretty pink that I've used a lot. I actually really like that one. But I think if they kind of would have given a little more, I guess, of an option. They had like 2 different color schemes that you could choose from, and it was either like reds and pinks or grays and pink nudes, kind of. So I think that if they would have just expanded that a little more, I would have personally liked that. But again, that's just a really petty dislike on my part. Overall, I have totally enjoyed this product. It's been fun, kind of an excuse to take a little time for myself and just pamper my hands a little bit. I would definitely give this product a thumbs up. I would recommend you guys to go ahead and check it out, maybe buy it for yourself. If you're in the market for a at-home gel manicure set, this is definitely a good one to get. You get so much bang for your buck. You get everything you need. It's a one-stop shop. So if you like this video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.